I am going to win. I'm determined.
I'll see you on Wednesday when I win the competition.
For this video, me and Matilde have to recreate the same iconic pop culture moments in photos. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be recreating Kendall Jenner's iconic hard hair photo, Selena Gomez's soda ad, and Kim Kardashian's GQ Man of the Year cover.
We have two main rules throughout this video, and the first one is that for every picture we need to use at least one Picsart tool. We also have 1 week to shoot and edit before we meet again next Wednesday to review and see who can win the challenge.
The loser has to upload an embarrassing Picsart edit to their story, which no one wants to do, and the winner gets the Picsart trophy, and they get to upload a photo of them with the trophy on the Picsart official Instagram account.
The judging criteria is going to be based on similarity, how similar the picture that we've recreated is to the original, creativity, so how you can incorporate the Picsart tools into creating your photo, the overall editing process, and how original you can be.
Good luck, Matilde.
Good luck, Olivia.
I am going to win. I'm determined.
I mean, I don't want to lose, and that's like my motivation because I don't want to post the edit.
Well, I will see you on Wednesday.
I'll see you on Wednesday when I win the competition.
Oh!
Bye.
Bye.
Hello, good morning. I'm so excited to start this video. I am an extremely competitive person and I really don't want to lose. I think Olivia does have an advantage because she recreates like photo shoots and stuff like that a lot of the times on like our TikToks. I just really don't want to lose, so I've got that going on for me. I think, you know what, I will settle for just winning one of the 3 pictures. I think that losing all 3, my ego couldn't take it. I actually made a list of all the things that I needed to recreate these pictures. I'm being a very serious person when it comes to this. I think they're all really easy things to get. My concern is with the first one that I'm going to be doing, because Kim K's got this specific packet of crisps that she's holding, and it is an American brand, and I do not live in the Americas. I honestly don't really have a plan when it comes to this. I'm gonna go shopping and see what I can get, and then come back and try and recreate the picture. Also, I have an appointment in like 10 minutes and I'm late, so I'll see you in a sec. I was gonna wash my hair this morning, but I realized that I'm gonna gel it so much that there's absolutely no point in doing that until later. The shopping trip was rather successful. I got pretty much everything that I needed in the span of like 20 minutes, which is very impressive for me. I bought these, which I feel look pretty much the same. They're just Polish Cheetos. I am kind of obsessed with this whole like array. It doesn't look like hers exactly because this gel isn't really like staying strong, but I feel like that's pretty okay, right? I'm actually gonna take the pictures on my phone, but I think because it's a studio, I think the camera works best. I'm really scared to do this. I don't know what's wrong. I don't know what's up. It's just a picture that probably took like a whole team of like 40 people to take. I can do this by myself with no photography experience whatsoever. I also need to open these, which I'm very much not looking forward to because I hate the smell. I'm gonna open the window because I literally cannot smell these otherwise. Oh, the things I do for you guys. Okay, got it.
Okay guys, it is time to recreate all of the photos that me and Matilde talked about. I'm a little nervous, but I'm excited. I kind of have a rough idea of what I want to do. First, I'm going to start off with the Kim Kardashian GQ Man of the Year cover. I was originally going to just Photoshop my face on top of hers, but I tried that and I didn't get the best results. So I'm going to try my best to recreate it at home. I don't know how well that's gonna work out because I don't have several of her props, but we're gonna try with the best of our abilities and what we have on hand, so come along with me. So in the photo, she's wearing a large blazer and I have this. We're just gonna have to be okay with it because it's the only blazer I have. And then I think I might add stickers of her holding the like bag in Picsart, and I'll probably use this blank background. I wish I had a tie. I might add a tie either with AI replace or with stickers. Her blazer is a lot more oversized than mine. I wish I had a bigger one, but Again, work with what you got. I'm gonna set up my phone here, put a timer on it, and I'm gonna take the photos here.
I started editing this picture and I realized that I shot it mirrored, so I had to start off by flipping everything. I think what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna make sure to add some like extra makeup to it. I'm gonna add background. I just screenshotted whatever color the background of her actual magazine was. I'm adding the GQ sticker as a logo. I think for the font of this picture, it's a little bit more of a squished Helvetica. I'm actually pretty proud of it. It looks very much kind of similar to hers. I think especially like the text looks very similar, so.
I found a blue backdrop on the internet that kind of matches the same backdrop as Kim's cover, so I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna add the bag in my hands. We're gonna add a tie. I'm gonna do this one because I like it. Where does it match up? Like here? Yeah, that's basically the same exact font. Wait. Okay, perfect. It's coming together.
Good morning, welcome back. It's not morning, I don't know why I said that. Today we're recreating the Selena Gomez ad. Apparently I just googled this. She made $500,000 from this, from one post. I'm also particularly excited because OG Selena. This picture was going to be rather easy to recreate because it's like a very simple setup. However, I do not own the top that I thought that I owned, which was the tank top that looked exactly the same. So we're gonna have to improvise around that. In terms of like what Picsart features I'm gonna be using for this, I'm thinking makeup, definitely. The colors, I definitely doing like some color grading, color editing. I also think that I'm gonna try and do like the same nails that she has and try and edit the bottle to look exactly like hers because they don't do those types of bottles anymore. I think that's it. Let's take the pic. Let's take the pic.
Use the Selena Gomez one. I feel like my hair is kind of blown out. I feel like I can recreate this pretty easily. I'm gonna put on a red tank top because I think she's wearing a red tank top in the photo. And I think I'm also gonna do either AI replace or stickers for the actual soda. I feel like outfit wise, my outfit is pretty similar to Selena's. How do we part it? I don't part my hair the way hers is part. I mean, clearly in the photo, but it's kind of part like this. Okay. I also just realized she has red nails in the photo. We're gonna be doing stickers with that too, girl. Let me go take these photos. I don't know how these will turn out, but if they don't turn out great, I'll go back.
I'm gonna start off this picture very similar to the last one just by adding makeup. I'm also gonna add sticker on her right wrist. Selena Gomez very famously has a tattoo of AI replacing this one to put nails on. And now I have an idea how to make the top red, but I don't know if that's actually insane because I tried to use color replace, but because it's white and there's a lot of other whites in the picture, it's not really working out. So what I'm gonna try and do is color over it. Now I'm gonna use AI expand because I realized whilst editing these pictures and going back on the original that both her shoulders are in. I'm also gonna mess around a little bit with the filters because hers are a little warmer. I'm just gonna add the hair, make it a little bit longer like hers is in the picture. I think it's okay. I couldn't figure out where she was in the background, so I just left it as my normal background. I hope that doesn't lose me points, but yes.
I'm gonna go into retouch and do the makeup tool because she does have a lot more makeup than I have on. So it looks like she has like an orangey kind of eye look going on, so I'm gonna experiment and see which one I like. Okay, let me see if they have the soda. They have the one with the straw, guys. It's meant to be. Wait. Guys. Okay, now let's add the red nails. I see that Selena has a tattoo. Music note. Okay, now let's add a filter and then finish her up. I'm gonna go with this one. Ooh, yes, girl. Boom. There's my Selena Gomez photo. I'm pretty happy with this one. Let me know what you guys think. Hi guys, this is Editing Olivia coming to you from the future. I totally forgot to mention that I made some last minute changes to my Selena edit. As I was analyzing the photo a little bit more, I noticed that it looked like she was under like some sort of like pier with a pillar type of moment. So I was like, you know what, let me do some detective work here. I think I looked up underneath a pier at the beach photo on the internet, something crazy like that, and then I used the remove background tool and I inserted that photo and then I blurred the background a little bit, and I like that a lot more than my original photo, so I just thought that I would pop in and let you guys know. Okay, bye, love you.
We have to do the last picture today, and I really just am not looking forward to this one. I think this is probably the hardest, and I have no idea why we chose this. It's not only the fact that like her hair is in a really weird position that's hard to get, it's like the dress, the carpet. I don't have carpeted floors, but even if I did, there are these really weird geometric shapes and then like a wood bar type of thing. Come to the conclusion that this is the closest stop that I have. It's got a little bit of lace, so we're gonna hope that that is enough to work with when it comes to like editing it.
Now it's for the Kendall Jenner hair. I might have to actually do the hair part. How do I do it? Great question. So she's wearing like a white-ish wedding dress. Obviously I have nothing like that, so what I might do is use AI replace, which I like to use sometimes for my clothes, but as for the actual photo, I think I'm gonna actually have to take that. So I gotta be clever with how I do an above photo because no one's here to help me take a photo. So I have this ladder. I think what I might do, this is gonna be crazy, y'all. I think I might put my phone on one of the like stepping thingies and take the photo that way. I don't know if it's gonna work, but we're gonna try it anyway.
To be fair, this one is probably gonna be the one with the most editing. Except for the hair, there's nothing really similar to the original. I've come up with the idea, right? There's like the little black grids that she has in her carpet. I'm thinking maybe I just draw over it, like copy it, and then just overlay it onto the floor. And maybe it won't look horrendous. I am gonna try it out now and see how it is. I feel like it's gonna take me a really long time because there's a lot of little details on this. So I could just leave the top as well, but I'm feeling like I should try my luck with AI replace and see if they can come up with a dress similar. I don't know why she's wearing a lace wedding dress, but Kendall Jenner, you do you, girl. I'm pretty happy with that one, even though like none of the elements originally to start off with were similar to hers. I feel like now they're pretty okay. So you know what? I'll take it as a win. I'll see you when we're doing the final reveal. Cool.
Now we're gonna move on to the Kendall Jenner photo. This one is the one I'm least confident about, so let's work our magic. I'm gonna remove this little wood thingy. I'm gonna go into the reshape tool, bring these curves down to like emphasize the heart. Now I'm gonna go into AI replace white lace wedding dress. I feel like I have to do Dodger just because it's so like reminiscent of the Tumblr days. And then I might do a little blur background just because I'm not loving my background for this photo. I'm not the happiest with this one, but you know what? Work with what you got. So these are my recreations for all of our iconic pop culture moments that we chose. I'm feeling pretty good. I feel pretty confident. I like how mine turned out. I'm excited to see what Matilde cooked up. I feel pretty confident though. I feel like I'm gonna win, but I don't want to jinx it. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
I'm actually like pretty nervous.
Me too. Well, we're back, guys. I'm nervous. Should we start with Kim first?
Yeah, that's the first one that I did. Yeah.
1, 2, 3. First of all, your hair is so much better than mine. I realized like after I took the photo, I was like, why does it look like I'm sucking my thumb? It's because she has her thumb like this and my thumb is like this.
I love that you added your name instead of like, that's so cool. I want to know how many of these elements are like edited in.
I feel like you win this one because you put more effort with the hair. And okay, should we do Kendall? Because I know I'm not gonna win this one. Like 1, 2, 3. I feel like ours are pretty like, we did the same thing though. I feel like.
That's what I'm saying.
I feel like, is this a tie?
I think we can call this one a tie because
You can call this one a tie. Okay. The Selena one, should we do the Selena one?
yeah.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Oh, kind of obsessed with your background.
Ours looks so different for this, which is so interesting.
You should win. I spent ages trying to figure out where she was and I just couldn't. I like tried so many backgrounds, so
I'm a beach girl. Since this is a tie, I think what we should do is we should let everyone comment who they think wins.
And then follow us on Instagram to see who posts.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Let us know if you guys want to see more videos like these.
Stay tuned for next week when we have another video every Monday.
Bye, guys.
Bye.